What's going on, everybody? So just wanted to show you how the 2019 Honda Accord 1.5T drives in the severe snow storm that we had today, and now it's just raining, so all the snow is pretty much slushy. But so far no issues except the sensor in the front, which is right under the grill area. It's pretty much covered with snow. As you drive, it gets covered with snow and everything. So obviously the sensors won't work. So as you can see in the dash, it's not working properly. It says there's a problem to your dealer, but don't worry about that. There's no problem. There's just too much snow and water. It's just blocked. So it does that. The brake system, no issues, nothing, but this should clear up once that area is clean and this snow is cleared out from here. That should be fine, and I'm driving in the snow and no issues, like no skids or anything like that, and I brake slowly as well, so it's good. So far so good. There's too much snow area. As you take off, like if you come to a full stop and you try to take off on a snow like this, it will skid a little bit, but try just to tap and then tap a little bit again, just tap, and once the car starts going, it will go. Of course, it's not all-wheel drive, so I missed that Q50, the all-wheel drive, and hopefully my next car I get, it'll be an all-wheel drive for sure. And yeah, so I'm driving like this, and still so good though, no issues other than just that sensor being blocked. Everything else works perfectly fine. Not getting stuck anywhere like that, and I'm using the 19-inch low profile, so yep. So far no issues, it works perfectly fine. I went on the highway as well. So far I'm good to go, but don't worry about these issues. If you see it, just kind of press that small button here between next and reverse just to exit it. That's all, no biggie. Alright, thanks for watching.